This month marks the 60th anniversary of the Ford Mustang. The very first Mustang off the assembly line was a Wimbledon White convertible. To celebrate the Mustang's 60th birthday, Ford just announced the 60th anniversary 2025 Ford Mustang GT. The 60th anniversary Mustangs will only come in Wimbledon White to commemorate the very first Mustang and will be available in either convertible or coupe. They'll all be powered by the 5-liter Coyote V8, and you'll be able to order either an automatic or a manual transmission. You will be able to order one of these limited edition Mustangs sometime this summer. Ford has not commented on the price as of yet. There will only be 1,965 anniversary edition Mustang GTs made to commemorate the first production year of the Mustang, 1965. This is serial number 1. The very first Mustang ever built, and was accidentally sold the day before the official launch. It was sold on April 16, 1964 to the Canadian airline pilots seen here in the picture.
We didn't know that it was the first Mustang. The serial number 001 really didn't mean too much to us at the time.
Harry Phillips was the salesman who accidentally sold the very first Mustang. Subscribe to my channel for more car-related content. What do you think of this 60th anniversary Mustang GT? It's that time again.